Hey guys, I'm at my milli-mile sprinter. Look at this connector. That's what I want to show you. The LED connector, it lights up itself. I guess that's really handy because if you test it, you know, like in a dark place, it's going to help. One thing that's weird, this ABS connector is flipped around compared to that other one. So we're linking this vehicle up right now. It's in progress, as you could see. But the key is not on yet, the ignition. So we're gonna do that. And we're gonna test its ABS. But the main thing it does have is the SRS light on. And before I delete it, I'm gonna show you that it is on. But this this printer, what's wrong with it right now is the torque converter. It is bad. And it can slightly move back, but not like to the front. Looks like it's got all kinds of codes. Look at this. Turbine, input shaft, speed sensor, circuit. I think it's a touchscreen because it's color screen. DTS severity 2 out of 3 repair. Immediately of drivability issues are present. Treat to essential system components if not repaired as soon as possible. Yeah, threat, I guess. So let's see. Automatic. Is this your vehicle? Yes. Get technician verified fixes. TSB, I guess transmission maybe. Let's see here. Okay, we're gonna go back to this. Now, before I clear all those other codes, I first want to start the vehicle up. I'm going to show you that the SRS light is on. Now you can see it's on right there. And that's due to the fact that I unplugged the airbag in the steering wheel while the battery was still connected. So SRS, one moment please. Hopefully all this links up and I don't have any issues. That we do have that check engine light on though. So one thing, it would be awesome if I could clear transmission codes. If I can, oh man, that's gonna be like so awesome. Yeah, looks like driver airbag resistance too high and under voltage. Okay, so we're gonna hit the erase. We're gonna hit yes. And let's see if this does it. And boy, am I gonna be like really happy if this actually happens. Because I have a lot of different cars that, you know, yeah, look at this. As you can see, it disappeared and it reappeared, which is not that good. Okay, it's still on. So let's try one more thing. We're gonna turn it off and we're gonna only turn it on slightly. I'm gonna go ahead and back out of that place. We're gonna do it one more time. Let's see what this will do. Oops, I came out a little bit too far. So now we're gonna go ahead and delete while the vehicle is not running. Because I'm not really sure if you're supposed to delete it with the engine off or on. So it could be that it needs to be deleted while it's off. Erase was successful. Wow, it's still it almost seems like whatever the resistor that's supposed to be there, you know, for the airbag, it's probably damaged somehow, so it keeps coming back. So this could be the reason that this problem is still existing. So I'm gonna do one more time, and I will start it up. Yeah, successful but not successful. Let's test the ABS to see what happens with the ABS, because oh, it looks like when I started testing it, the brake came on. Why did the brake come on? Unable to establish the connection. Okay, now we're gonna turn it off again. We're gonna hit second position. We're gonna go to the ABS again, and let's try to see if you scan it with the it looks like the brake light does come on when you test. This does not happen to my other one. And actually ESP and traction control lights came on. They were not on before. It's not able to establish connection either. Well, this does not really give me anything because I didn't have a problem with that to begin with. It's really weird. But once it is testing, it does have this little brake light. So contact, okay, relink. Let's try to relink again. Yeah, it looks like the oil light came on by itself with it being in this position here. Okay, so we're not able to do anything, I guess, with that. So let's see what this global thing does. It would be so cool if I could delete transmission codes. Wow, 1 out of 10 input speed sensor. I guess this tells me the repair that it needs. Looks like there's a lot of stuff that's stored. Let me see if I could delete them. Erase global. Okay, let's try to do that. Let's see what happens. Erase successful. I like to test these things right away because you know how it is, guys. If you're trying to get this little device, you want to know what it's capable of or not capable of. So we're gonna try to connect this other little thing here at the bottom and try to see what kind of codes we're gonna get. I'm gonna hit the erase. I'm gonna hit yes. Because at this point, it's doing a lot of nothing. Okay, it says it's all successful. Let's start it up and see. Okay, the check engine light is off. All this other good stuff is off. Starter relay 2 stuck on. Let's delete it. Make sure it's not stuck on. Apparently I was able to clear the transmission, but now let me show you. If I try to move forward, what's gonna happen? See, it's not going anywhere. As a matter of fact, I cannot even really idle this. Just kind of stuck there. If I try to go back, it is kind of moving back. In neutral, basically rolling. Trying to raise the RPMs. Yeah. Let's see what else we're gonna get here. We're gonna do the global thing again. See if we're gonna find anything else. Glow plug, cylinder 1 glow plug, cylinder 2 glow plug, cylinder 5. I think all that stuff is fake. I really don't believe it. Let's go ahead and clear all this. One thing's for sure, the problem actually does not go away. It will actually just come back. So we're gonna read it again, see if anything else comes up. Yeah, it looks like these glow plugs, they're not really, it looks like if I scroll down, it tells me what repair do I need, which is kind of cool. But if I scroll up, it's going to give me the other codes. You see, 4 out of 4, 3 out of 4, 2 out of 4. But it does give me a way to, I guess, repair, which is kind of cool. Get a, oh man, I'm too far away. Let's try the ABS again. And the weird thing about it is, look, as I try to connect, all those lights came on. But it's not able to establish communication, which is not cool. Looks like I'll have to keep testing this because obviously there's no problem with the actual ABS module. One thing that I'm thinking the Audi vehicle has a problem with is this shifter. I guess that's going to be the very first thing that I will change. I'm gonna try to do the SRS again. See if I could delete this light once and for all. But what can you expect, guys? I mean, look at the mileage. And I know it only says 174,000 miles, but it's 1,174,000 miles. That's the thing. Because it started counting over. So yeah, it looks like it says that it's present. Let's hit yes. One thing I'll tell you guys, I do like this little unit here. So what about the cost? It costs $200, guys, and if you have a coupon for this unit, you can get it for like $169. It was a super coupon, but if you got a 25% off discount, you're gonna pay like $150. So I only had the coupon for the $169, so that's what I did. So I paid $169 for it.